Okay, so good morning to everyone again on my channel. So for this one, I have a class today at 9:30 a.m. But since the student is absent, it's already 9:45. I took already a screenshot. So today, tuturo ko sa inyo on how to tag a student absent. So go at the bottom of your lesson history. You can see there the word mark student absent. So click that. And then, absence reason, select nyo. Kung hindi pumasok si student, please choose the student never entered the room. If the student entered before the lesson time, click student left the classroom before the lesson time. If my problem technicalities on the side of the student, click in either both of this. Okay, minsan si parent pumapasok na lang sabihin na, "Teacher, hindi makakapasok yung anak ko kasi may activity sila or may lalakad kami," like that. And for others sometimes I use this when the student is really inattentive. So, yung nakailang klase na kayo pero naka-off yung camera, hindi sumasagot, di umimik, parang ghost. So, kapag naka-multiple times sa si student, saka ko lang ginagamit yung tag him absent. So, for this one, the student never entered the classroom. And write details. Huwag nyo na pahirapan yung sarili niya. Yun, same lang. The student never entered the classroom. That is how easy to tag a student absent. And then choose a file. For me, I either get 2 screenshots on the 5th minute of the lesson time and the 15th minute. For me, ever since I started with 5 on Talk, isa lang ang screenshot na ginagamit ko. And that is only 15th minute. So for this one, you choose your screenshot from your files. So for this one, ito yung screenshot ko today. Yan. August 5, 2024. Yung 09:45:10, yan yung time. Para hindi kayo malito sa screenshot na gagamitin nyo. That one. And then, click submit. Yeah. Okay, so that is how easy you have marked the student absent successfully. So, pag tinignan nyo ulit dyan, wala na yung 9:30 class nyo. So that's easy. That's all. I hope I have shared something with the new teachers in my platform. Thank you so much and have a nice day. More videos to come about I Want Talk.